Aloha to all my peeps in the healthcare clinic management world. My name is Jules, broadcasting from the island of Oahu in Hawaii. And I have been managing a healthcare clinic here for 27 years. And I really hope this video finds you well this morning, today, this afternoon. Have you ever noticed how the workplace can sometimes feel like a big reality show? You have different characters. The drama queen turning a missing pen into a full-blown crime scene investigation. And there you have the silent assassin. Quiet as a mouse, but their email replies cuts sharper than a samurai sword. And of course, the overachiever, already on task number 17 before you finish your coffee. There's also the disappearing act, somehow always in updating something when the heavy lifting shows up. And then there's you, stuck in the middle of all this live episode of Survivor Office Edition. And guess what? Stressful times bring out the best in the cast of characters. Everyone's quirks gets magnified when pressure hits. But here's the plot twist. We're not actually competing. There's no tribe council. Nobody's getting voted off the island, though some days it's very tempting. The real win is learning how to laugh through the madness, lock arms anyway, and remember that even with the drama, the silence, the overdrive, and the Houdini acts, we're all playing for the same team. Purpose-driven with one goal, to deliver exceptional patient care. Stress always tries to turn us against each other, but unity is the one move that keeps us winning. So tell me, if your workplace were a reality show, what character would you be this week? Drop it in the chat below. Until next time, my friends, stand and deliver on staying united. Aloha!